Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Benalmadena now. So let's see Wagwan around Benalmadena. You've got Bobby's here. Let's check out Bobby's price. Let's check it out. So look, Bobby's Steakhouse. Girls are on it. So, here you go guys, you can see the prices on there. Dessert $6.50, not bad. Fajita mix, not bad, $17.90. Hello mate, you okay?
Okay.
Good man. So yeah, that's not a bad price, isn't it? And you're right here on the waterfront, so I think that's about. Yes brother, you good?
Where you from?
I'm from England, thank you. But yeah, you got ale hop here, like you got everywhere ale hop. Pizza Plaza there. I don't remember this ale hop actually. This is new, isn't it? Brand new. My foot I actually got like a blister on the bottom of my foot, right where the part of your foot hits the ground. So it's really sore, but yeah, it's nice. Hola. But when you're walking, you just can't feel it. Your mind's completely off it. So trust me guys, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. So down here you've got the marina. It's actually very cheap parking here. So if you're coming down, come park down here. You didn't got to walk far, have you? If you're driving a car. We parked down here. We drove. When we do these big trips normally, we take a what's it called? Oh, here you go, some prices quickly. We take a £2 for £6. So I'm going to have to get pints in a minute and get 2 pints. And that's that. Los Brothers. But yeah, we park in there. We drove from Seville. So normally we fly into Faro, we go around what's it called? Albufeira, Torrelands. We came here before as well, very nice. Then we take a bus straight over to Seville and pick the car up in Seville. They gave us a Mercedes the last time. It was fun to drive that Mercedes around. Looked really, here's a picture here of it. I'm trusting myself to do that as well. But you got O'Neill's Cafe, check the prices out. Chicken wings, only 3 for £12. That's not a bad price, is it? And you can get yourself €12 brunch. It's not bad at all. But yeah. All you can eat, look at this, all you can eat as well. How much is this for all you can eat? It can't be £6 for all you can eat. It's very cool. It doesn't open till it's shut at 5, it said. Is that gone 5 o'clock? But yeah, we drove from Seville, we went down to Cadiz, we went to Gibraltar, we went to Espetona. We've never been to any of them places before. It was amazing to see it all. I mean, Cadiz is a beautiful, beautiful place. If you've never been there, get yourself to Cadiz. Have a look at Cadiz. And then also go to Estepona. Estepona's really nice. You've got Estepona, you've got Mijas, La Cala de Mijas. Really, really beautiful little areas. And, if you've got a car, they're like really close. Gibraltar was good to see. I've never been to Gibraltar before, and that's England, so if you want to take a little citizen there, you can live there. No visa required. Shame what they've done at the moment with the old, what's it called? With the Shenzhen area, what it's called. And they've made us now include it in our 90 days, because I'm guessing that's your little flip, innit? You could go to there for 3 months and you could go back to Spain for 3 months and vice versa. I mean, come on guys. Brexit, what a failure. I don't care what you guys might think about, we needed this person to... There's no one that could have done anything except for mess up our lives. more expensive everything. We can't. It used to be amazing. You could go to Tenerife, you could go there and work and live, or you could go anywhere in Europe. And now we're restricted to our little island. Amazing, isn't it? Anyway, enough about politics. We're gonna get down this little marina. I'll tell you what, actually, we're not gonna go around the marina. We're gonna go and get a beer. We're gonna get a beer first, and then we're gonna carry on with the video on the next video. So let's go around this backside. I'll show you Irish bar. I come to this Irish bar quite often, so we're gonna go to the Irish bar, have a beer. But I'm gonna show you up here first. See if there's anything still open up here, and we're gonna circle back, go back to the Irish bar, which is just there. Morrisons. We're going to come back to Morrisons. Get ourselves a quick Guinness or something. I think there's nothing up here. There's a few places at the back. Let's quickly go across the road and there's nothing. So yeah, let's go. Let's go into we'll get some drink and let's go sink a Guinness. What the price is, show you the prices. So what's that? Look, a toasty, a baguette, really reasonable price. Starters, 6 chicken goujons for $5.50. It's a really good price, isn't it? Bunch burger for 12. Let's go. So this is that. Let's go and get ourselves a nice Guinness. Hi guys, so we're here in Morrisons and we've got ourselves 1 pint of Amstel, 1 Guinness. Oh yeah, we're gonna see what I want with their beers. So let's try the Guinness first. The Guinness is ready. Cheers, guys. Oh, the guy just walked into the fucking thing. Like I didn't get it on camera. I wish I did. I fucking wish I did get it on camera. No, I didn't. I wish I did. Do it again. Do it again. So if you look over here, guys, this guy just walked into the window. He literally just walked straight into that window. You put your glasses on? So, start again. So yeah, that's hilarious. He just walked straight into the window. So anyway guys, let's sink this. Okay, it's just like a Guinness should do, eh? And yeah. Get a bit down me as well. So, Amstel. Taste this. I can't neck lager. Too fizzy, way too fizzy, but tastes good. So guys, we've been following the series. We're on our 10 destination. There is a few others. I flew into Malaga, but I didn't film it. So there are other destinations in there, and yeah, we're basically, hopping around Europe at the moment, filming all of the party destinations, all before the season starts, so you guys can see Wagwan before the season starts. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the very next one.